Good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 15? Yep. Happy Vlogmas day 15. So I just dropped Royce off at school, right? And I called up Trader Joe's, a different one than when I went to. Well, I had called them last night and they said, we're out today, but we usually get a shipment in and we should have some in the morning. So I just called them 2 minutes ago and I said, hey, do y'all have any Kimbap this morning? He said, we do. And I said, oh, thank you. That's what I'm on my way to do. I'm about to go to this Trader Joe's real quick. Looking real crusty, dusty, and busted, but this is me most days, so this is me most days, so you know, it is what it is. Anywho, let's go ahead and go to Trader Joe's. I'll see y'all when I'm there. We're here. Let's see what they got. I found it, but it's only 2 per customer. So I got it, right? But they have a sign there that says limit 2 per customer. I'll show you the other things that I got when I get home, but mission accomplished. Today's gonna be a great day, period. We gonna eat good. Because I literally want to eat everything that's in this bag right now, but I'm also very hungry. They always say don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry, but $30 later, here we are. Number 3, here we go. What the heck is this? A cup? Hot ramen. Wrap snacks? Wait, is it ramen? What is this? Ah! Why I got a little boozy on my ramen? So we have wrap snacks. This one is Boosie, and his flavor is Louisiana hot and spicy chicken ramen. And then this one is E40. Ooh. And his flavor is beef prime rib. This is hilarious. And I love it. And I'm definitely going to eat one today. Oh, wait. His says Boosie says appreciate the good times. Sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones. Gems. E40 said, believe in yourself first before you believe in anyone else. Believe in your own dreams before you believe in somebody else's dreams. You smell me? Your personality and networking skills will take you a long way. Always remember, stay down until you come up. Real talk. Period, poo. Let's look at this. These dietary motherfucking. God damn, that's a lot of sodium. Shit. If you eat one of these, you gotta drink water for the rest of the day. All right. Well, these ain't going back in the bag. We putting these in the kitchen right now. Right now. I might have one right now. All right. So first things first, I just opened these up, and I'm definitely about to eat one of them because I'm hungry as hell. So we're gonna eat the chicken one. But I want to show you what I got from Trader Joe's. So, I got the viral sensation, Kimbap. I got this chimichurri rice with vegetables, Peruvian style. And it looked really good in the photo. So I got that. I got some steamed chicken soup dumplings. I got, oh yes, these Panakopita. It's basically, I think it's Greek, right? They're basically like little dough things that have like spinach and feta cheese in it. They're so good. But this is my first time trying it from Trader Joe's, so hopefully they are good. This tried and true, these green onion pancakes. These shits right here with a nice pot of curry. Oi, good. Good stuff. And then of course, I got my ever faithful tried and true butter chicken. Right now, I'm about to eat this, and to be honest, I might make these with it. But it's 6 dumplings. That's too much. Oh, and the sodium. Oh God. I'm just gonna try this first, and then we go from there. I'm gonna put these in the freezer though. See, oh no, not that one. We're doing this one. I don't know about y'all. Oh, is it at the bottom? If it is, I'm gonna be so sad. I usually throw out the little peas and carrots and corn and stuff, but it looks like it's at the bottom. Damn it. All right, I don't got no choice. I'm gonna fill this up like so, and we gonna let that sit like so. Oh, wait, let that sit like so. Hey, I forgot I had curry frozen. Oh, today's gonna be a food day? Oh Lord, I have food I gotta cook. I gotta cook that pasta first because I have mushrooms and broccolini in the fridge that I need to cook. But this and this, boy, problems. All right, let's try these wrap snacks real quick. I tried to call my mother, but she ain't answering. Oh, they got you. The peas are at the bottom. Not as bad as I thought. Second one. Add a little soy sauce. And with this, if you don't know, now you know. This is Chinese vinegar. And when you add this to your ramen, but only a little bit for me. A tad. A little goes a long way. That's what it needed. Alright, so quick update, because your girl was hungry and I wasn't trying to pull the camera out. But these, they're alright. I mean, for what they are, frozen, they're pretty good. Now the fresh ones you get, when you go to like a Greek restaurant, oh my God, they're so good. But these suffice. Alright, so quick check-in. Today is very much so a very like accounting, work from home kind of day. And I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. It's 1:23. I'm going to go ahead and try the kimbap. Let's read the instructions. Cut the corner of the package, heat on high for 2 minutes. Let stand for 1 minute. Remove kimbap from package. Can be enjoyed hot or cold once heated from frozen. So we cut the corner. Corner's cut. We're gonna go put it in the microwave. Letting stand for 1 minute. Oh, it still feels kind of cold on itself. Let me put the 30 seconds more. I'm definitely gonna make myself an avocado roll right now. It's sizzling now. I'm gonna let that sit. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me an avocado roll. Rice is warm enough. I'm gonna add some rice vinegar to it. This just seasons the rice for the sushi. I'm going to separate the skin of the avocado from the avocado. Slice it. So, rice on nori. So when you do it, you're supposed to leave like an inch I have more than 1 inch of space up there for the roll over. Oh, wow. I'm gonna add my avocado slices to the mix, like so. And I'm going to start rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. I don't have a sushi mat, so my hands will have to do. You want to squish, press, and roll at the same time. Press and roll at the same time. Right, now I have to cut. That knife is not sharp enough. I need a knife sharper. I need a knife set. But you know, first we're cutting in half. And then we bring it around town. Ooh, that was perfect, if you ask me. And now we cut our rolls, okay? So that's one cut. That one wasn't as smooth as it could have been, but here we are. We have our soy sauce. I'm about to make some spicy mayo. All right, for the spicy mayo, all you do, you have to use Kewpie mayo, okay? Kewpie mayo is the best mayo that you can buy. I'm just saying, it has way more flavor than American or any other mayo does. It's a Japanese mayo. Some sriracha and a touch pop of soy sauce. Let me mix that together. Here's the kimbap. Am I gonna try one first? No, we're just gonna dump it on. Look how perfect. Oh, it has seaweed in it. That's such a good idea. Oh, like it has like seaweed salad in it. That is such a good idea. Wow. Okay, this is my plate. Spicy mayo. We have my avocado roll here. There we go. My avocado roll here. You have the kimbap on the other side. It's lit. All right, so first things first. We're gonna try the kimbap. All right. Do I dip it? Do I eat it raw? Huh? That's giving. Let's try soy sauce. They said a serving size is 3 pieces. Bye. Spicy mayo. Yep. Let's go. I got nothing to say. Need I say any more?